Five brave idiots on a jungle train. Press start now, no time to yell. We're going straight to the green hill. Compass broken, morale is low. Nobody knows which way to go. Bridge ahead and traps below. Ocean said, enjoy the show. One guy screaming in mono sound. Another face first on the ground. Three more heroes switching fast, trying hard to make it last. Left to right, fire on away. Same three bushes every day. If I survive, I swear I'll tell. I got lost inside Green Hill. On the way to the Green Hill, marching where the pixels smell of a napalm screams and shell. Baby, welcome to the Green Hill. On the way to the Green Hill, nothing here is going well. Girls crying dressed in camel shell, dancing straight through Green Hill. Village houses, tunnel door. Need 2 flares and maybe more. Found some docks and extra ammo. Still look fabulous in camo. First person, nightmare corridor. Turn around, same wall as before. Water dripping, shadows crawl. I hear doom inside the hall. Crosshair, lipstick, steady hand. No one had a better plan. If I survive, I'll proudly tell I was cute inside Green Hill. On the way to the Green Hill, marching where the pixels smell of a laughing napalm screams and shell. Baby, welcome to the Green Hill. On the way to the Green Hill, nothing here is going well. Girl boys crying dressed in camo shell, dancing straight through Green Hill. Surging crazy, bombs in sky, friendly fire, but don't ask why. 2 more minutes, run or fry. Kiss the jungle, say goodbye. 5 grenades and 1 last yell. This is romance, can't you tell?